Hi, I'm Dr. Gavin Chan from the Victorian Cosmetic Institute. Today I'll be talking about the luminous ultra-pulse fractional carbon dioxide laser. About 20 years ago, traditional carbon dioxide lasers emerged and were heralded as the replacement for all cosmetic procedures, including facelifts, because they resurface the skin, they improve wrinkles, pigmentation, they tighten the skin. But the main problem with them was that the downtime associated with the treatment could often be months. It was extremely prolonged and the risks were high, so there were a lot of scarring and pigmentation problems associated with this laser. Over the past few years, new technologies emerged, and this new technology is fractionation of the laser beam. Fractionated carbon dioxide lasers treat a portion of the skin, they don't treat all the skin. So there's some healthy parts of the skin which help the treated parts of the skin heal. This gives you advantages in that the recovery time is shorter, the risks are much less, but the results approximate what you could achieve with traditional carbon dioxide lasers. So this is the luminous ultra-pulse fractionated CO2. So we'll just show you on a paddle pop stick the effect of the laser. So you can see here on the paddle pop stick that the dots are not completely covering the area to be treated. There's spaces in between which actually help the skin heal when you do it on the skin. Now we'll actually go to the patient now and actually demonstrate on the patient. There we go. You can see the tissue contract. Now our patient here has been sedated a little, as well as she's also had some nerve blocks, so she's actually not feeling any of this at all. But look at the skin contract, and that's immediate tissue tightening you see, and you also get tissue tightening which goes up to 1 year. You can see quite an impressive tissue tightening, especially on the upper eyelids. So if you have a look now, watch closely, see the eyelids actually shrink. So this is a good alternative to having a surgical blepharoplasty or eyelid reduction. You can actually get eyelid lift without having to go under the knife. So the fractional carbon dioxide laser is used very effectively on upper lip lines to help reduce vertical upper lip lines. It takes a layer of skin off as well as heating the tissue, so you get tissue contraction as well as removal of fine lines and wrinkles.